In this session, we'll see few ways to locate one element on the web page. So how to locate element, how to send values in that, and how to click buttons and other stuff. So in my previous uh, videos, we have seen how to set up the WebDriver and how to initialize the Chrome editor. So for this, I have created one method called setup, and I have called this method from the main method. Now everything whatever we'll do in input data. So in this method. So here we are opening our site, which is buglens.com. So let me open that site. So it is already open here, and here what we'll try to do, we'll try to fill the contact form. Okay, this form. So first you must be knowing that we have inspect element, inspect which is called developers tools on each browser. So this is a Chrome browser and we can do inspect over here. So whenever you click this icon and you take it to input, you will get the attributes of that element. So this is input, which is a class, which has a class ID, name, size, type, and value. So what we'll gonna see in this video is how to use this ID, name, and class for different purpose for identifying an element on a web page. Okay. So let's take the ID first. So I'm copying this ID, and as you know, to find an element, we need to click on driver dot find element. Then you have by. Then when you click on dot, you get different things. The class name, class CSS selector, ID, link text. Will gonna see each thing one by one. So for now, I'm using ID, and I need to provide this ID. Then I can say send keys. Send keys is used to send values into the text field. Okay. Here I'm going to write my name. Okay, I'm saving it. So we can do it in two steps. For the next element, we are going to do it in two steps. This is a single step process. That the same can be done in two steps. Okay. The next thing is email ID. So let's take the case of email ID. So email ID, we have already seen how to use the ID. So now we'll see how to use the name. So the name is email, and what we can do is we need to create one web element email equal to driver dot find element, then by done. And as we are using name, so we need to use name, which is email, and do this. So it's saying import the relevant package. So this is org.openqa.selenium. So import this, and what we can say, let's suppose there are previously some field value, so we need to clear it first. For every text field we need to do this. This is a good program practice in terms of Selenium automation. Then you can write email dot send keys, and here I am going to provide my email ID. So, okay. I need to close this. Okay. Okay. Then we have the other thing, which is called message. So in the message part we have, see, this is a text area. So there are different things, CSS, XPath, and other steps are there, but we are going to learn it one by one. So now I'm using class. So I'm going to do it in a single line because we have already seen how we can do it in multiple lines. Y dot, you can say class name. Okay. In class name you need to provide the class name, and then you can say send keys, and you need to provide this is my first test message. Your website is very helpful. Okay. Then we have the button which is called send. So here we can use the id name type button, or we can use the type button. Let me see if we have anything else in the page, which is type button. So I guess this will be your type button. Type is submit. So let's use the type button here and see if it is working fine or not. But I'm not going to post anything, as this will be the junk value for the admin of this page. So I'm using type as button. Let's use XPath for now, or we can say we can use ID. Don't want to use anything else, because for XPath we need a different session, because that is very vast, and XPath is really helpful in finding different things. So the first thing that we see is ID. ID is the primary thing, and we have then your name if there is name, or class. So ID is the primary thing for locating one element. Okay. Driver dot find element by dot ID. Okay. ID is here. We have given the ID, and dot, because this is a button, we need not to send anything. We can use click, but I'm not doing anything else, because I'm not clicking this button, because it will provide junk value to this website. Okay. So what we can do, uh, when we hit this URL, it may take some time to load, depending upon the internet usage. So there are different types of waits available, but for that will be explained in a different video. For now, I'm using thread.slave, which is in Java. So 2000 milliseconds I'm providing. It will give me an error. Let me add surround it with try catch. Okay. My form is ready and everything is there. I'm not quitting the browser, so that we can see the output very well. Now loc dot, we have your input data method, input data. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's run this and see if the values are getting populated into the text field or not. Okay, see, everything is written and the execution has stopped. So you can see there is no error. This is only the message that Chrome browser is starting. The driver has started. Okay, this is it for today. Thanks.